Hello, today we will guide you through how to add sight language in Framer. Adding an additional sight language lets you localize your content and serve the right experience to visitors in different regions. In this short walkthrough, we'll open the project, find the settings, add a language, and save the change. First, open your project in Framer. Make sure you're in the project you want to update and that you have edit access. You should see the canvas and the top app bar. Next, look to the top right of the screen for the Settings control. It typically appears as a gear icon. If your window is narrow, the icon may be tucked behind a menu, so widen the window if needed to reveal it. Hovering over the icon will display a tooltip confirming you're in the right spot. Click Settings to open the Project Settings view. This is where global options for your site live, including the language configuration. If your workspace uses a sidebar, the settings open there. The options remain the same. Inside Project Settings, locate the Language section. You'll see an option labeled Add under Language. Click Add. This opens a list of available languages and locales. You can scroll or type in the search field to quickly find the one you need. From the list, select the language you want to support. You can choose a general language or a specific locale, such as English, United States, or English, United Kingdom, depending on how precisely you plan to tailor content. Pick the option that best matches your audience. Framer will prepare a language slot for you to populate later with localized content. Once you've made your selection, confirm that the new language appears in the Languages list. This indicates it's been added to the project settings and is ready for use. If you selected the wrong one, you can simply remove it here and pick again before saving. Remember, adding a language only creates the framework for localization. Your existing content stays unchanged until you provide translations. To finish, click Save. The Save button is visible in the Settings view. Select it to commit your change. Saving ensures Framer stores the new language for the project. If you navigate away without saving, the language will not be added. That's all it takes to add a sight language in Framer. You've opened your project, found Settings, clicked Add under Language, selected the language, verified it, and saved. With the language now in place, you can continue building out content and, when you're ready, localize text, navigation, and components to match. Thanks for following along.